Hey coffee lovers! Struggling to find the perfect brew every morning? Meet the Keurig K-Express, your ultimate coffee companion. Why you'll love it. Rich, full-flavored coffee at the touch of a button, convenience and taste combined. Customizable cup sizes, 8, 10, or 12 Oz, for the perfect portion every time. Need an extra boost? The strong button delivers a bold, robust flavor. And there's more. A 40 Ciro's removable reservoir means fewer refills, more time to enjoy your coffee. Compatible with any K-Cup pod or even your own ground coffee for endless variety. Fast brewing technology, perfect for busy mornings. Energy-saving auto-off feature for eco-conscious coffee lovers. Travel mug-friendly, brew directly into your favorite to-go cup. Trusted by thousands of coffee lovers, the Keurig K-Express is a bestseller for a reason. With glowing reviews and a 4.8-star rating, it's a favorite among coffee enthusiasts. Make every morning special with the Keurig K-Express, your one-stop solution for hassle-free, delicious coffee. Ready to transform your coffee routine? Check